Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to draw to your pictures on the Polish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and tap on the create button. Select a picture, slide to the right side of the screen and tap on draw. Here you can zoom in and then tap on the magic button and you can choose from these options here, these tools. Feel free to select the size of your tool, and you can also use this mosaic option. Here you have these filters such as love, flower, summer and so on. So you can add these, draw with these emojis too, as you can see. And you can also use this mosaic option that you can add to your picture, so brush over the areas that you want to blur. You can also use the summer theme, so as you brush over the areas you are going to draw with these patterns to your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.